that is white flour, and 1 cup of water. You can use milk or whatever, and 1 egg. So let's first make our wrap. So we'll make our wrap. Basically it is our pancake what we make, a crepe. Some people say crepe, some people say pancake, because it is made in pan, and we are going to wrap this and make it into a roll. Salt as per how you need. Then we'll add our water. So 1 cup we need for this quantity. However you want to make, you have to make a smooth, thin, without lumps. So mix this, make a thin batter. This is still thick, so we will be needing to add more water in this. See that there is no lump. I will add more water to this. So maybe another half cup. This is okay. So 1.5 cup. So you see, we need like this. So जितले दिसतोच चांगले, ना पातो and ना दाट. Okay, consistency तेजी सारखी आसोंक जाय. हिंगा हांवें brush घेवन तेल लायला. So apply some oil and then low flame. We will add our batter. And we have to make it only one side. And it is done, and we will turn this. Make now chicken filling, and for that I have taken around boneless 1/4 kg of chicken, then few curry leaves, then this is 1 big onion, some ginger garlic paste I will be adding, and we'll be needing butter, some maida, that is 1 tablespoon of maida, and 1 cup of milk to make our sauce also. So it's a morning over here and I'm making for this breakfast. So let's make now. So we'll fry the onions, chicken first. As the oil is hot, we will add our curry leaves and our onion. Fry this nicely. At this point, we will add our ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon. Now we'll add our chicken Like the onions are nicely soft. At this point, we will add our salt to taste and pepper powder. Salt to taste. I have not added salt before. And some crushed pepper powder. I will add some Thai basil to this, which I have dried and made it at home. So it gives a nice flavor to our chicken. So this is done. So now we will remove this and we will make a white sauce. So 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 cup of milk, and I am using the same pan. Just fry this nicely. So now this is nicely cooked. We'll add a 1 cup of milk. So it's becoming thick, and now we will add a chicken to this. Mix this all nicely. We'll put off the gas. And we'll keep this filling for cooling down. Let's make our chicken pan roll, and our wraps are ready. This is our breadcrumbs, this is our chicken filling, and 1 egg to apply on top and then coat it. So for that, now let's keep this all aside. It becomes messy when you make all these things, but no problem. Without mess, sometimes you don't get the best experience. So here, this is the last wrap. I will keep it aside. So now we'll add our filling to this. How big, how small, it's all on you. And then we fold this way, and then we tuck it inside and roll this, and then we will put some flour to this and stick it. So this is a paste, so we apply it to the edges and roll it. It's done. Then we will another one. I will show you. Very simple it is. Now we will apply our, put on this also. If you have like this small one, if you want to make, then also you can make this a smaller size. So now this is egg, wash, nicely put all over, roll it, and then again we'll put on top. And then roll this. So like this will we do the other one also and fry. So it's ready to fry, and pan is also ready with around 1 tablespoon of oil. Make it slow. And we will fry this. Medium flame, just for 2-3 minutes. We'll go up and down. So we'll flip-flop this. Hope you will enjoy to make this. This is very quick recipe, and it is called pan roll because we fry this in pan without less oil. Okay, try this recipe of chicken pan roll and enjoy. Thank you.
And here it is ready, Goan Chicken Pan Roll. Enjoy.